I don't like this Fanta. This Fanta, I don't like him. Not free.
Don't do this to me, please.
If I'm not going to go. Don't I sent you 200k. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Untouchable, aka Tumbo. Ude, Mamo. Guys, he gets friends where they tell me, say, he get one woman where they sell something, so she get twins, staying on completed building. You get. So I was like, which kind of suffering be this? But today we are going to play a different prank on her. Let's see her patient level. You get. My prank, normally they get weight. So guys, let's go. Let's see what's happening, guys. Are you guys ready, man? Let's go. Ude. Hunger bad.
Hunger, what do you want to buy? Bigger.
Waiting with this. Now Fanta.
Only granite, I want the chocolate.
Now granite, abi. Hunger bad.
No, now what are you people doing?
They calm down now. They calm down.
Why calm down? Jesus, sir, please now. Sir, please,
It's sweet,
this is
it's
not
sweet.
my shop. Sir, please, this is not my shop. You people should stop.
Good,
No, stop.
Wait, I don't understand.
This is not my shop, please.
Carry this thing, come out.
Somebody help me. See, I'm just a single mom working for somebody here.
No, this I don't like this Fanta. This Fanta, I don't like him.
No,
Now see, abi. No wonder they test like this.
Why you trying to drink so much? This is expired in my shop. This is not my madam's shop. I'm just a single mom, so please understand. Sir, please, are you the one that sent them?
My sugar be this.
Sir, please.
No, carry your pikin come on here.
Please, this is not my shop.
No, carry your pikin come on here.
I'm just a single mom working
Don't
for somebody.
Not
If
enter.
you people are hungry, you tell me, please.
I don't understand.
I will sacrifice my salary.
They test somehow.
I will
I know sweet.
Sir,
Yes,
please,
don't spoil.
Please don't do this to me. Don't do this to
Don't
me.
do
Sir,
it
please, I'm begging
You are gonna do it.
If you people are hungry, I will sacrifice
do
my
it.
salary. Directly to somebody's shop.
Go shop.
How do I pay for it? How do I pay for this thing? Sir, please help me.
Leave me now.
No sweet.
Sir, please
Not
help
free.
me. Don't do this to me, please.
If I'm not
Nobody
go.
this thing.
If I don't do okay, if I don't do okay, Mona they go.
No,
If I do okay, Mona they go. Mona they go.
you they sell.
Sir, please. I the one that saying they want to sell this. Sir,
No,
please
they are my
tell
friends.
me.
Wait now, they are my friends and we are hungry. That's why we
Sir,
came.
I can sacrifice my salary, but for you to do this to somebody's shop, look at me now. Eh? I'm just a single mom working for somebody here. This is where we fail.
This is what?
How much they pay you?
Sir, please.
Hey, that this it be like not fake. Listen,
Sir, nothing is
That's what
fake
you
here.
they sell.
huh?
That's what you they sell.
I don't understand.
That's what you they sell.
Wetin dey happen here, sir?
Somebody who sent you people. Hey, oh no. Hey, these people have ravaged my shop.
No, if una do okay, Mona dey go. If una do okay, Mona dey go.
Listen to my madam now.
If una
Why is this so wicked?
make una dey go, una dey chop.
This is not wicked.
Make una dey go.
This is not wicked.
Mona dey go. Una don dey alright. Mona dey go. Mona just dey on soft. No time.
Hey, Jesus, how did this thing? Who sent these people?
Ayana, madam, later things. Me, I want to go.
How did this? Who sent these people? Somebody should come and help. Please don't let me know this is this neighborhood again.
I want to go. Later things.
Don't let me get that
Wait,
this neighborhood
why is
again.
the south? Why is the south? Can you be south? Why is the south? This is not in the south. We not be shop again.
Hey, my mother, what would I tell her? How do I tell her? My salary will let me cover all this loss. Hey, Jesus. Hey, sir. Hey, somebody should hear my voice.
Ma, wait. Wait. It's just a 5 minutes. They get right there. Come outside.
What? What is this?
Now, prime video. Stay my come outside. Prime video now. See phone where they record us. So no fear. Nothing. We will go still replace them. Anyway, I'll replace it. No worry. Actually, what's your name? Come now. What's your name?
My name is Juliet.
Juliet, you be a better person. Friends told me that I got friends. Come now. No dey fear, no worry, chill. Friends tell me say they stay for this uncompleted.
Yes, I stay here.
And you get pikin. How you take the cope with this business?
I'm just working for somebody.
Okay, you're looking for somebody. But this is not safe for you. This is not safe for you. You get? This place is not safe for you. So, the only thing I can do for you here is, because someone told me about you, I came. And this is the only way. You are a nice person. You don't even react bad. You know his person bottle. You are a nice person. So, the only thing I want to do, you have account number?
I have.
You have? I have put them for me here. I want to support this your business. I've been another person. You feel even start your own here tomorrow. So no fear. Your hand is shake. No. I don't know why. Calm down. Okay, hold back.
UBA.
UBA.
Yes.
Chica. Huh?
Yes, Juliet Chica.
Okay, come, listen, see. I sent you 200k. Enjoy. At least start up something. You get? Start up something. At least this will not reach 50k now.
Jesus.
Have you seen it?
God.
Have you seen it?
Sir,
Have you seen it?
200.
Have you seen it?
I've seen.
You have seen it?
Jesus.
Have you seen it?
200k.
Have you seen it?
Sir, look at it. 200k.
Nice one. All right, enjoy. Me, I no follow. Stand up.
Sir, please, sir,
Take care of
please.
yourself.
Thank
Stand up.
I don't know how to appreciate
Stand up now.
you for this.
I beg. Now we don't watch and say like her. Just like, comment. I did just beg you, Comment now. Why you do that? You start. You want to go?